Hi everyone, this is Sandy Crane with the Heart, and I'm back with part 3 of the Happy Mail box that I am making in a one-on-one swap with Angela Velasquez. So the box is going to have a lot of stuff. So I have a part 1 and a part 2, and I just wanted to make a few more things. So this is part 3. The first thing I want to show you guys is I went ahead and I altered another jar. I don't know if you guys have ever had this pudding before. I think it's called Petite Pot pudding. It's freaking delicious. And so it's pretty expensive stuff, but there's this company that's based in LA that I sometimes get groceries delivered when they have a coupon or whatever. And I always throw in a jar of this pudding. They have like a salted caramel and a vanilla bean one. It's amazing. So anyway, that's what these jars are. But baby jars would work, and any kind of small jar, I'm sure, would be fine. It doesn't cover really well, I would have to say, but it's fine. It's just, just for a little something. So I just wrapped it, and I put a little tag that says "Wake up and smell the coffin." It's just a cut apart that I put right here. And then on the top, I cut out a circle, and then I attached one of these glittered skulls that I had gotten from Tuesday morning. And inside, so this is coffin dust, whatever that is, right? Coffin dust. So that is actually glitter. So I had gotten this like ginormous jar of glitter. It's American Crafts from Tuesday morning. I still have like tons of it. And this is only $1.99, normally $8. So it's pretty good value, but I mean, I don't know who uses that much glitter. I mean, I've got a box of glitter. But anyway, I thought it was really cute, so I shared my glitter with her. And then I did use bits and pieces of this for my next project, and this I got from the warehouse sale at My Mind's Eye, and they're calling it confetti. But it's just super cute, so I'm going to be using this for a lot of upcoming projects, but definitely for this. So I'm going to start with this right here, where I use the giant pumpkin from that confetti. And this is an altered clipboard. So I tried not to make it too dimensional, even though these letters are kind of dimensional, so that it could be used, or it could be displayed. Either way, I think it's really cute. So I used more of my American Crafts foam letters that I got at sort of the beginning of the Halloween, season at Tuesday morning. And I've used almost every bit of that. That was like probably my favorite thing that I got at Tuesday morning were those foam letters, because I've just been able to use them in so many projects. I did some pom-pom trim, and I hot glued that down. I actually put a little hot glue on all these pieces so that it would definitely stick. And I pieced together some paper from, I think this is the My Mind's Eye collection that I've been using. And I mean, I've got stuff scattered from one end to the other, but it's in My Mind's Eye. It's a last year's collection, so it's a little older. So I just did all of that, and then I attached this large pumpkin. It came from this confetti pack. It was a little pricey, but man, it's really cute. So there's that. And then I made some bows. So here are some of the bows that I made, and these bows are, I believe, the medium size bows from my creative time. The only thing with these bows is with the scallops. I mean, they're super cute, but they got to poke all these little scallopy pieces, and you got to do that over the trash can, otherwise you just got a big old mess. So this piece right here came from that confetti collection, and then this button, I used a couple of the buttons that also came from Tuesday morning. So if you see this collection, these would be really cute on your bows. And these are Halloween elements, but if you see any of these types of ones, they don't have shanks on them. They're more like a button for crafting. They have like a glue dot or something that does not stick worth a damn on the back of it, but these are really cute, and if you see them, I would pick them up. So there's that. I did one of the flowers that I made on here, and another oh, this is the same one. Sorry. So those are those, and then I packaged, oh, here's one more. I'm like, where's the other one? This one is the one I wanted to show you. And this is a foam pumpkin from the same collection that I got these letters from. Like I said, I've just found lots of ways to use those foam collection. And then I packaged them up to give. These ones I'm just going to keep and put on various tags and other projects. At least I've got a few bows already made. So I just packaged them up. They're just packaged in here, nothing too fancy. These are the ones. This one has a bat from that confetti collection. I did one pumpkin. She got one flower and then one button, so a variety. And then I just made my own rosette using crepe paper because I didn't buy a lot of crepe paper. I bought this from AliExpress. I have silver, pink, black, and orange. I definitely need to buy some more because these are really fun little things. And I just used a scrap circle. I used a pumpkin from Tuesday Morning from the DIY collection, along with some googly eyes also from that same DIY collection from Tuesday Morning. And just to give you an idea of just how awesome these rosettes are. So this is just a simple rosette that I made. And then this 31 right here came from this confetti collection. And it just, doesn't that look cute? So that maybe for something else. So here are some of the things that I made for part 3. And I think she's really going to like it. So hopefully everything fits in the box because I'm kind of, as the big stack of things that I'm going to be sending her. So I want to make sure that this probably won't be posted until hopefully she gets it and opens it. And then I'll post it because I don't want to spoil the surprise. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy Crane with the Heart.